Do you want to know how you can hide or store your game ID on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable or disable to show your game ID on your 1xBet account. So first step is to open any browser on your PC, then search for 1xBet.com. and make sure that you have logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go to register and register yourself to 1xBet. Now, what you need to do is click on settings, which is right beside my account. Go ahead and click on settings and you can see this option which is called show game ID. You can show each match number in your central block. So right now this is enabled. To hide your ID, just go ahead and make it white. And you can see that your game ID will not be shown to others while you are starting to bet. To enable it again, what you need to do is go to settings, which is over here, click on this drop down menu and click on this again to show each number in central block. And your game ID will be shown to the public. I hope this video about how you can show the game ID or hide the game ID on 1xBet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.